Hello everyone, video today about the Damas 2025 limited edition. So item number here. And here it is. So a companion for the model. Nothing special about the box. What we are used to. Underneath we have this, as usual, description. So 7 pieces, 7,000 pieces worldwide. So the pattern for the Damast is called White-Ear Zwavner. The scales are made of Corian, which is white-ear. So solid surface mixture of acrylic resin and natural minerals. So it's man-made. We have, of course, it's a 91mm knife, 18mm for the thickness. It weighs 92 grams and has 12 functions. So, of course, we have the main blade. So for this companion model, there is also a new range, I would say. I'll talk about it at the end of the video. Then we have the small blade, which is not common for this model. We should have the nail file. So this is the particularity of this limited edition. And we have the scissors. So the companion is a model really close to the Climber, except, as I said, it should have the nail file and the box opener instead of the can opener. Still have the flathead screwdriver. So this one is really close to the Climber, except for the box opener, and also the bottle opener with the larger flathead screwdriver, wire bed stripper. We also have the keyring, of course. So nothing for this case, of course, no tweezers or toothpick. We have the cork screw and the 2025 year is here, and number 1323 out of 7,000. Multi-purpose hook. Nothing special here as well, and the reamer hole. And that's it for this Damas 2025, which is a beautiful one. I like it. Interesting model, and scales are very beautiful. The pattern of the Damas is not my favorite, but something new, I would say. Last year we had the Farmer X as a reminder, which was very beautiful as well. So yeah, beautiful knife. They have a new range of companion. So the companion is out in a classic red Celidor scales, and we have a new knives in Alox. So of course I'll make a video about these knives. And of course we have the occasion to talk about the Victorinox making new models, which is interesting. And they are, except for the companion, but the companion Alox bladeless models, as it was announced some months back. So yeah, video coming about that. And in the meantime, yeah, that's it for this video, and take care, and see you for the next one.